Welcome to GreenBasics videos. Our aim is to boost sustainability in your laboratory. Laboratory buildings consume 10 times more energy and 4 times more water than offices. The energy demand of a single ultra-low freezer or a fume hood is the same as a single-family house. How can we significantly reduce energy costs and the consumption of resources in the laboratory? With our GreenBasics program, we can provide you with professional support, either focused on the greatest potential savings or comprehensively on your path to zero carbon. The focus topics based on the criteria of my Green Lab organization. We offer a choice out of 14 focus topics. Decide yourself which topics you want to start with. Many of our clients focus on the energy topics first and expand after step by step. Step 1. Inspection. We begin by inspecting your laboratory and analyzing the current situation together. How is the work conducted in the laboratories? Where are the biggest consumers? What is the potential for optimization? We document our findings in our online collaboration tool, which is continuously updated with information, know-how, training videos, and action plans throughout the entire process. This tool is accessible to all participants at any time. Step 2. Workshop and action plan. Our GreenBasics team organizes either a full-day workshop or 2 half-day workshops with all stakeholders, either on-site, hybrid, or remote. Participants are selected based on the focus topics and usually include laboratory managers, scientists, and facility management, sometimes including purchasing and health and safety representatives as well. In the workshops, we present best practice examples, discuss the measures we have prepared, update them, and establish their priorities. By the end of the workshop, we developed an action plan for each focus topic. Step 3. Implementation. Now it is time for implementation. In short monthly online meetings, we discuss the current status of the measures and the next steps. Our GreenBasics experts are available to provide extensive know-how. On-site, our global customer service can actively assist you with implementations and upgrades. We are happy to provide ready-to-made materials such as stickers, posters, and other smart tools. This approach is fun and speeds up the implementation. Step 4. Certification. If you would like to receive official recognition for your sustainability initiative, this is possible. Through our cooperation with my Green Lab, you can carry out a baseline assessment before starting the measures and a certification assessment after successful implementation. Our GreenBasics program ensures that you are well prepared for this. Additionally, GreenBasics can offer more to enhance your sustainability efforts, including real-time monitoring with sensor packs, return on investment analysis, embodied CO2 analysis, and many more. What are the key advantages of GreenBasics? GreenBasics is highly scalable, allowing you to start with a few topics and expand it to 14 across multiple departments and locations, making it adaptable for various implementation levels. It offers comprehensive support, including professional consulting and trainings. We can implement smart measurement technologies and conduct technological inspections by process experts to supply deep, insightful findings. You don't need to look further. With our global customer service, you can quickly obtain cost estimates, project timelines, and on-site implementation support right when you need it. What level of commitment needed for GreenBasics? The commitment for GreenBasics is 1 full day spread across 3 days. Everything starts with a 2-hour kickoff meeting. The second part involves 2 3-hour workshops, where 30 to 50 actions are ranked based on ease of implementation and impact. Last but not least, an hour-long follow-up meeting is held a month later to track the implemented changes and unblock any actions that have been stuck. ensuring that the discussed actions are implemented. Visit our website and contact us to discover how we can implement GreenBasics in your organization. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to share those insights and join us for more in our next videos.